My name is Malucel Doris Tulifao, and I'm the founder of Brown Girl Woke. It's an organization that empowers young Pacific Islanders using performance arts to speak about taboo issues. I think the most creative thing is using performance arts to talk about these issues. Any drama that they're having at home or a breakup.
She'll never love me, I know that she shall be. I hide away and push everyone from me. In my mind, I face resistance. I wanna be alone, but I hate the distance.
We tell stories with music, with dance. It's something that we've always done. The whole group is local.
VGW has helped me be more open. We usually have one person performing and then the whole group hyping you out. Yeah, it just takes away all the nervous. Oh my gosh, can I start again? That was so fall.
Cause it's like lost souls finally connected. You the only one I truly do respect it. Like you came around and changed my whole perspective.
There's so much talent here in Samoa. We're here to make an impact.
As the youngest in the group, I've actually looked up to these guys as my role models.
You got me singing, can I know your name? And girl, I ain't playing.
Brown Girl Woke has helped me to be out there and showcase my music.
Can I know your name?
Anybody that comes from overseas that comes and does a concert, we make sure they put a local link to it.
So performing here at Tatau Fest tonight, it's big. Tonight's the biggest stage that a lot of us will be performing on. Opening up for Fiji, Tanel. Fiji, I'm pretty sure everyone here grew up listening to his music. So, he's someone that we really look up to. And to just perform on the same stage that he will be tonight, no, man, it's buzzing. It's buzzing.
So ladies and gentlemen, up next we have another group, a local group, representing Brown Girl Woke. So ladies and gentlemen, Samoa, put your hands together for
1, 2, 3,
VGW.
Let's go. All the way till I die. The place where they'll mock you if you wear a suit and tie. Yeah, lover, pass so, that's the way. The land with the hips and the palm trees sway. Keep it slow, but sing it, we keep it real. Do you understand the words that I'm saying? And do you feel?
Then baby, come closer, let me tell you something. I wish there was another way to say goodbye properly. R.I.P. Joe, we missing you every day. I'm thinking every night, we just sing this. No.
Still making flows and you're falling like you were dominoes. I'm on till you go adios and leave you in your underoos.
Everybody, they be looking at my tummy. Tell it, look at my face, this how I make my money.
You was a rider, I was a bunny who needed a gotcha. And you were perfect, I waited for you but I swear it was worth it.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, Samoa has talent.
We need to start writing our own stories. And if this is the part that we can find that through singing, this is the way that brown voices will be heard.